Good morning, everybody. I'm sorry. That was funny. I was not expecting them to do that. And now they're all eyeballing me like, okay, who's the crazy lady? I just wanted to give you guys an update on our silkies, our golden sex links, our California whites, and our 10 little meat birds that we put together. The meat birds we are calling fuzzy piranhas because they are eaten like crazy. Look at this. Oh, get down here. We filled both of these up last night. They're practically gone. And as you could tell, I have both my California whites, which one is right there, and one of my golden silkies. They're roosting on this. I had to move this. Yesterday afternoon, my daughter Laura heard this really loud noise in here. She couldn't figure out why they were all peeping so loudly. And apparently one had climbed up on top of here and flew out of the tub. And we have everybody in our little hot tub in our bathroom here, which I'm about over with because it is dusty in here now, as you can tell. You can see the layer of dust. And I know I'm going to be scrubbing this tub come this weekend. So we are going to try to make an outdoor brooder box that will sit on our deck and we can move it. So something with a little bit of legs, maybe not too heavy. If you guys have any ideas for us, we would love to hear it for brooder boxes that will sit on the deck. Now, our deck does not have a cover over it. I was thinking something that we can put where the droppings can be easily pushed off the deck for the meantime, because they're just babies. They really are. Look how cute my silkies. I got a gray silky and a brown silky. And they're so cute. And then these two, no, this one and that one back there is my California whites. And they're already getting spots underneath the wings, of course. And then that guy right there, that's a golden silky, and the other one is right there. And there's little wee birds. So what I'm going to do is, I'm holding the camera. I'm going to try and pick up one of the meat birds here. These guys are less than a week old. And within 48 hours, they had feathers on the tips of their wings. So hold on, guys. I'm going to grab one right here without trying to cause too much disturbance. Come here. Oh, got it. All right. So, as you can tell, this is one of our fuzzy piranhas. Look at those feathers. Isn't they pretty? Hey, dude. What's up? And then they're getting tail feathers. Kind of focus in. There we go. Hi, guy. Little fuzzy piranha. Put him down. There we go. And let me see here. Let me see if I can get one of my silkies. Now, another thing I noticed with our silkies, they have 5 toes. I'll show you one as soon as I get one here. Let's see if I can get one. And I hate causing a disturbance, so I try to let them be as much as possible. Oh, God. Okay. There's my brown silky, as you can tell. And then, check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm new to silkies. Yeah, hey. but these guys are beautiful. I've never had silkies before. He's already getting feathers. Oh, I know. Yeah. I know. But, anyway, for the silkies, alright, there you go. But for the silkies, I never knew they had 5 toes, so that's something new for us. Alright, well, I just wanted to give you guys an update on everybody. So you can see, next time I'll try to catch one of the California ones once their spots start coming in better. So you guys can see that. That's kind of cool. Didn't know we had spotted chickens. Alright guys, hope you all have a good day, and we'll see you on the next time. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and grow something for your family.